Tired of sending the same document one by one? Let's unlock the power of Docusign and streamline your workflow by sending documents to multiple recipients efficiently. First, log into your Docusign account and click on the New button. This will start the document sending process. Select Send in Envelope. Now, upload the document you want to send. You can upload from your computer, cloud storage, or use a template. After uploading your document, scroll down to the Add Recipients section. Here's where the magic happens. Add your recipients by entering their names and email addresses. You can choose different recipient types, such as needs to sign, receives a copy, or needs to view. Docusign allows for parallel or sequential routing. Sequential routing means recipients will receive the document in the order you specify. Number them accordingly. Parallel routing allows everyone to receive the document at once, speeding up the signing process. For an even larger recipient list, use the bulk send list option. Under advanced options, simply upload a CSV file containing recipient information. Next, click Next to add fields for each recipient. Drag and drop signature, date, and other necessary fields onto the document. Make sure each field is assigned to the correct recipient. Finally, review your envelope settings, and then click Send. Your document is now on its way to multiple recipients. Docusign will track the progress and notify you when everyone has signed.